Hey guys, so I hope you guys liked the video of me applying the contact lens. So the next video, I get so many people ask me to show them how to take them off. I know it's a bit complex sometimes, and these look like scary as, and like, you know, taking a photo making me look scared doesn't help. So I'm going to show you how to take it off with this and also your finger, and hopefully you guys find that helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Oops. Mind you, I'm actually looking at the camera, so it's not like I'm looking in a mirror. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, let's zoom in out a little bit. I usually go like, oh well, I don't really use my fingers, but because I got makeup on, I'll just be like this and just slightly squeeze. Sometimes you find that you miss, and that's it. It doesn't hurt because it's got that tip there. Can you see that? See that tip there? So it's very gentle. And that's how you take it off with the tweezer. I'm going to go ahead and show you the other side. How to take them off with my fingers. Although my preference is this. These are the best. These are the bomb. You should get them. Okay. So I really don't like using my fingers that much because I got long nails. Sometimes you don't know what's stuck in them, but you know, I wash them. Okay, so with this one, you need to, I usually use this finger here, you know, the marriage ring finger, and then I go like that. I push it down a little. Let me zoom it in. And then I use these two fingers to kind of like grab them off. I don't use my fingers. I've seen people use their fingernails, and I'm like, oh god. I avoid that, but yeah, you just go like this and use that needle and just kind of grab it like that. See that? So usually it's like you use this bit of your finger and then you kind of grab it with this slightly, but you never pinch it because you don't want to ruin like the contact lens. So if you have any questions, write them in the comments below and I'll do my best to reply to them. Thank you for watching. See ya.